In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the Radial tool when using a district or region map view. The Radial tool will operate the same way as it does at the territory level. You simply right-click on that area and you'll see the Radial tool pop up. So let's close out of that Radial tool here on this territory view, and let's open up a new tab and click on Districts. And right away you will see all of the districts appear here on the map. From here we simply right-click on a district to pull up the Radial tool. And from here you can either delete the district or even zoom into that district by clicking on that zoom in button. Now let's right-click on a different one. And we can click here to change the color of the district, and you can choose a custom color. Click Cancel. Let's right-click again, and we can hide this district from view. If you hide the entire district, then the territories will also be hidden in that territory map view. So let's go back to our district alignment tab, and let's make it visible, and click on Show. If you right-click to open up that Radial tool and click on the Lock button, you will lock the district and all the territories that are assigned to that district. So if we go back to our territory tab here, you will see all of those individual territories have locks on them as well. So let's go back to our district alignment tab, right-click again on that yellow district and unlock it. The final thing you can do with the Radial tool here at the district map view is you can access the district properties. So you can click here on Properties and you'll see all the data linked to this district. You can also rename that ID, the name, and make some reassignments. You can click here to assign a different district manager, or click the green plus button to add a new district manager. You can do the same thing with your region assignments. Clicking the drop-down menu, you can assign this district to any region that you've already created, or clicking on the plus button, you can create a new region assignment by assigning this district to a brand new region. So let's click Close and click Cancel. Now let's open up a new tab and open up a region map view. And just like we did at the territory and district level, we simply right-click on a region to pull up that Radial tool. And you will see the same options that you saw at the district level. We can delete a region, and simply clicking that will delete the district to region assignments. So going back to a district alignment view, you will see those districts are still there, and so are those territories. Clicking back on the region alignment tab, you will see that just that one region has been deleted. Right-click here on the central region, we will see all those options once again. All the options that you saw at the district level for the Radial tool can also be used here at the region level. And there you go. You've just learned how to use the Radial tool here in AlignMix.